Hello, today we will guide you through how to cache everything on Cloudflare for faster speed. We'll be working inside the Cloudflare dashboard to create a page rule that tells Cloudflare to cache more of your site's content, which can help improve loading speed and reduce repeated requests to your origin server. As we go, keep in mind that caching changes may not appear instantly until the old cache is cleared, which is why we'll finish by purging everything. To begin, open your Cloudflare account home. Once you're in the dashboard, locate the domain you want to configure and click on your sample domain to enter that site's settings. After the domain dashboard opens, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click Rules. This is where Cloudflare lets you create behavior-based rules for traffic, caching, redirects, and more. Inside the Rules area, select Page Rules. Page rules are useful when you want Cloudflare to treat specific URLs or patterns differently from the rest of the site. Now click. Create Page Rule. You'll be taken to a form where you can define which URL pattern the rule should apply to. In the URL field, enter your sample URL. Typically, this is where you'd use the appropriate URL pattern for the pages you want cached. Make sure you enter the pattern carefully, because the rule will only apply to matching requests. Next, click Settings to add the behavior for this rule. From the available options, choose Cache Level. When the value selector appears, click the drop-down that says Select Item and then choose Cache Everything. This setting tells Cloudflare to cache all content matching the rule, not just standard static assets like images, CSS, and JavaScript. Once that's selected, click Save and Deploy Page Rule. That publishes the rule so Cloudflare can start applying it to matching traffic. With the page rule in place, the next step is to clear any existing cached content so the new rule can take effect cleanly. In the left navigation, click Caching, and then open Configuration. On this page, find and click Purge Everything. This forces Cloudflare to remove the current cached version of your site's files and pages, so fresh content can be recached using the new Cache Everything rule. After the purge completes, give Cloudflare a little time to rebuild the cache as visitors request pages. If you're testing results, it can help to check your site after a few page loads rather than immediately after purging. That's it. You've now configured Cloudflare to cache everything for the selected URL pattern and cleared the existing cache so the changes can begin taking effect.